be real. School is a lot of work. Math, science, reading, writing. And then teacher hits us with, don't forget your group project. Like, excuse me, I didn't even sign up for the first project. Then I had this thought. AI can do everything, right? What if AI just do all of our schoolwork? Sounds amazing. No more late night cramming. No more I forgot my homework disasters. Just me, relaxing while AI types away. So I tested out. AI, write my history essay. Generating the Roman Empire was... Stop, AI. Do not start talking about Roman Empire. Nobody asked. Fine, I move on. AI, solve my math homework. X equals 42. Wait, that was a word problem about apples. What happened to showing my work? AI just skipped straight to the answer like a sneaky kid in class. Then I think, okay, maybe AI can help in group project. Because let's be honest, there's always that one kid who does nothing but still put their name on the poster. So I tell AI, organize our project. Assigning tasks, you will do research, your partner will design the slides, the third member will contribute nothing but still get credit. Okay, so AI does understand school. But here's the thing. I realized that if AI does everything, what do I learn? If AI writes my essay, I won't get better at writing. If AI solves my math, I won't ever know if 42 apples are the right answer. So now, I use AI differently. It doesn't do my work, it checks it. If I write an essay, AI helps me fix mistakes. If I solve my math problem, AI double checks. AI is like a smart friend who helps, but doesn't cheat for me. And you know what? That way I actually learn something. So no, AI won't do all our work, but with the right mindset, it can help us do our best work. And that's way cooler than just copying answers.